Pickens Culinary program is fun.
Culinary at Pickens is great.
Culinary at Pickens is an experience.
It's a one-year program.
Most of our work is hands-on since it's cooking. That's the way we learn.
Right, I always had a passion for this, but being here has opened my passion and opened my eyes to a future. I think my skills have grown a lot.
We learned kitchen safety and sanitation.
Cooking, baking, and food preparation.
Life skills, how to create recipes, nutrition, and dietary conditions.
I really love eating and cooking.
I really just like making new friends.
Everyone is really nice. Cooking with them is just really fun. It's just like a stress relief for me.
Just going here every day, just made everyone feel more comfortable and feel like home. It's just somewhere I go when I want to de-stress from my work life or from just regular life. I just come here and I just enjoy my time with my friends.
We're always laughing. Sometimes we sing, sometimes we dance in the kitchen, and we just make fun of each other in a good way.
We really value teamwork. We really help each other out a lot. We're really close, actually. We play around, but then if we need to be serious about something, we are serious and we get it done. I've grown to just communicate my own needs, academically. Taking a lot more ownership. If I want something, I have to communicate it more.
I have grown because I've met more people in different perspectives. It's really impactful for me because I used to always be around kids around my same age, and now I'm here with adults, knowing about their lives. That has opened my eyes to seeing different kinds of people in different moments in their lives. That opened my eyes and my passions to a bigger opportunities that I have in life.
I think it's just a life skill that's important, and it's fun.
If you like to cook, you should go.
It's food. It's a thing that we all need and a thing we all love.
Everyone should join. It's really, really fun. If you like to eat, that's a place.
It's just a great class.